And the dangerous weather conditions also toppling trees and power lines. We have team coverage this evening on the fire danger. We begin with Chief Meteorologist Paul Hagan. Paul?
Parts of the red flag warning just expired as of 5 o'clock, but the red flag warning, and in fact, it just disappeared off the map for me, but it's still in effect for the North Bay Mountains, the East Bay Hills, and the Diablo Range. We'll get that resolved. Some of the National Weather Service data just kind of lagging behind. The numbers are important. 20 to 30 mile an hour sustained winds with gusts in the 50 to 60 mile an hour range, and humidities still lower than 20%. A look at our fire weather conditions map. All these circles are different observation points around the Bay Area. There's about 350 of them, and the vast majority of them are either in red flag conditions, those are the red circles, or close to red flag conditions. Those are the yellow circles. Now, the winds aren't as strong as they were last night. That's the good news, but the winds are still gusty on the order of 30 to 40 miles an hour, and the humidity is still less than 10% across most of the Bay Area. Here's some of those peak wind gusts from last night. Mount St. Helena, 89 mile an hour wind gusts just before 11:30 last night. Mount Hood near Santa Rosa, 78 miles an hour. The Oakland Hills had a wind gust close to severe thunderstorm strength, got up to 57 miles an hour, and the Napa Airport measured a 53 mile an hour wind gust. So while the winds aren't going to be this strong tonight, they're still going to be strong enough, and the humidity is still low enough to keep us in that critical fire weather threat. We'll take a look at the forecast values for humidities and wind speeds across the Bay Area coming up in just a few minutes.
All right, Paul, evidence of what you're talking about. Strong winds took down this giant tree near the Santa Rita jail in Dublin. People in the neighborhood say the wind was so loud, sounded like a hurricane moving through. KPIX5's Julia Goodrich live in San Leandro, where cleanup is underway after fierce winds ripped through that area too. Juliet?
Boy, Alan, there's a lot of cleanup. Now, we are along Fairmont Drive here in San Leandro. Let me just give you one example, because the winds were really whipping through here overnight, even during the day here. Now, take a look at this particular uprooted tree. It's now hanging over some cable lines. Fortunately, these cable lines are not carrying power. It would have been a much different scenario if they were. In some areas, power was shut off as a safety precaution. And in other areas, power was knocked out by downed power lines from the strong winds. This happened on Bancroft in Oakland.
But it was a little bit dangerous because things were falling, a few feet away.
Powerless and fenceless in Castro Valley, the Reinhardts spent the day repairing their fence blown down overnight.
Well, I got to dig out the old fence posts and put in new ones. I want to build it just like it was.
Fortunately, he had a generator for his power tools.
Dog's unhappy because she's in the house and she wants to be running around the backyard.
It's a bumpy start for today, for a Monday.
Could have been worse.
It could have been. My car could have been totally smashed, and really, it's barely scratched. So, very lucky.
No school for Hannah and her younger sister today. Power was turned off in Lafayette. So Hannah spent a productive day at her horse barn instead, brushing Big Red.
Power went out at my house, and I don't have anything at my dad's house. So we decided to go to the ranch, and I'm brushing the horse.
So when do you think you'll be able to do homework?
Probably at night, like I always do.
Chopper 5 spotted this tree that fell along westbound 580, blocking a lane of traffic at High Street for more than 2 hours during the morning commute. The San Leandro Public Works Department says it could take up to a week to clear away truckloads of debris.
It's a lucky horse. Juliet, have people in San Leandro, that area, been told when the power might be coming back on?
They were hoping it would come back on tonight, but actually a lot of them are not holding their breath on that one. In fact, kids like Hannah may be in for another day of distance learning without power tomorrow as well. We're still in that red flag warning, specifically in the East Bay here, and so power may not be restored until tomorrow. PG&E will certainly be updating us within the hour.
Seems like a long time when it is off. All right, Juliet, thanks so much.